James Gilliland tilde making it through the holidays. ICITY December the 25th, 2013. An interesting phenomena is unfolding, and it is unfolding on or just after the holidays. Two intense waves of energy came in, creating quite a process. The sensitives and light workers felt it first, and much of the negative lower frequency energies were transmuted through them in absentia. Last Sunday seemed to be the hardest, yet most are still feeling the effects. All I can say is lay the body down, pray and meditate. Ask that this move through quickly with no residual energies, and ask for help on high to remove all lower frequency energies, fear, guilt, sadness, unworthiness, all wounds and traumas from past experiences. We need to release the past, and there are legions unseen waiting to assist humanity and the earth in this process. The shift is really hitting the fan. You will see intense changes on every level. 2014 is going to be quite a ride. Love the new world into being and let go of the old. Do what brings you joy in service to the Creator in all creation. The separation game of the elite is coming to a close. It is unsustainable and not frequency specific to the evolution of Earth and all her inhabitants. Be kind and loving to yourself, others, all life, and set any necessary boundaries with those who are not. This is the foundation for universal law, and it is the law of creation pressing hard upon the earth. We have nothing to lose other than the suppression that has held back heaven on earth for eons. Whether or not you believe Jesus was born in December, or if he really existed, matters not. What matters is the archetype, his message, which was demonstrated in his life. I personally have a long history with Yeshua, past lives and this life with Mary coming to me as a child saving my life. I am not Catholic. These are universal beings. He appeared to me last night, filling my body with light shooting out my feet, after which I felt this intense darkness lift, the same energies I am getting flooded with emails for help with. I do not care if it was Jesus, the Greek name which means son of Zeus, Yeshua, Joshua, etc. I go by the inner sensitivity of the nature of this entity and his works. Focus on love, joy and bliss, set the intention to clear these energies and see what happens. Worked for me, in fact it always works. Be well. James Gilliland.